Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward tutorial on how to transfer money to a bank account from Revolut. If you're looking to seamlessly send funds to a new recipient, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. First things first, open your Revolut app and locate the Transfers option on the menu bar at the bottom of your screen. It's usually represented by a $ icon. Step 2. Tap on New to begin the process of setting up a new transfer. This is where you'll kickstart the procedure to send money to a bank account. Step 3. Now, choose the option that says Bank Recipient. This ensures that you're sending money directly to a bank account. Step 4. Revolut has made the process user-friendly. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transfer. This may include entering the amount, confirming recipient details, and any additional required information. Here's a handy feature. Revolut automatically saves the recipient's bank details after your first transfer. This means you won't have to enter them every time you want to send money. Convenient, right? And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on transferring money to a bank account from Revolut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy banking with Revolut.